joined by our in-flight lead, Maxine Campbell and Tilly Shepherd. A special welcome to those of our customers returning from the British Airways Club and those of our customers joining us from the Worldwide Alliance partners. Myself and the team are here for your comfort, but primarily your safety. So with that in mind, we do recommend you do keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated, and it must be securely fastened when the seatbelt signs are on. Those customers intending getting any rest on a flight utilising blankets or duvets provided, we do kindly ask that you do fasten your seatbelt over these. Should the seatbelt signs be illuminated during the flight, the cabin crew will not need to disturb you. When it is safe to leave your seats today, please do take extra care when opening the overhead lockers, as some items may have moved on takeoff and could fall out, causing injury to yourself or those customers around you. And as a reminder, smoking and use of electronic cigarettes and e-vaping is not permitted at any time whilst on board, and this does include our toilets, which are fitted with smoke detectors. We'd like to ask all our customers to take extra care with your personal electronic devices, ensuring they do not obstruct the adjustment of your seat. If you lose your device or your device gets lost within your seat, please do not move it and let one of the cabin crew team know.